Kodwa nina yazi nibahle mahala nje. Umuntu makuthiwa mama ngisacela udrive namhlanje uyahleka.
Eish, yeah, she used that sound so that we will know the level of anxiety that they're dealing with. We should be careful of our words. We shouldn't just tell them that Baba Atle Mahala, they're just beautiful for nothing. You know, those words, it's equivalent to telling somebody that that person is useless. You see, she is driving and she didn't deal with her anxiety. She was behind the truck and she had to park on the side and cry because of she is afraid that the truck can roll back and she can die. Remember, there are people who still have so much trauma whereby they lost family members simply because of they were involved in a car accident and a truck was the cause of that accident. People lost people because of trucks. Remember, there were moments in South Africa whereby there were other people who lost their lives simply because of there were truck strikes, whereby people were doing what they were doing to truck drivers, and there were other moments whereby the veterans or truck drivers who have been driving for a very long time were in a strike, and the rookie drivers or drivers who doesn't have a lot of experience started driving those trucks, and a lot of mistakes happened. And people lost their lives. So people saw what happened and people are still traumatized. So that's why when she see that, she will cry because of she remembers somebody who lost their life during a truck accident. And we also remember that in SA they had to have another rule or a new rule that after 11 drivers should stop driving, simply because of there were those who were driving at night while they were tired, and they end up causing horrible accidents whereby people lost their lives. So there is still so much trauma which is in us, and I'm not blaming her for feeling that way simply because of others. They are still afraid of driving till this day simply because of how they lost parents, how they lost siblings, how they lost their children due to reckless driving, due to companies which didn't even want to maintain their trucks, due to companies which forced drivers to drive even at night when they're exhausted, due to companies which paid people per trip, and people were forced to do multiple trips so that they can earn better salaries simply because of they have people that they have to take care of. I understand why she is in that situation. And to all the people who are still dealing with anxiety, I will make a lot of videos. I will share more videos and I will share more tips, and I will create more videos so that you guys can know that you're not alone and how you can deal with that anxiety. I always talk about the mental side of the test, and I always talk about the physical side of the test. Most people are also only focusing on driving lessons so that they can easily go there and pass, but they don't deal with things that are internal. During their driving experiences on our roads, they get triggered when they see horrible accidents. And I appreciate you guys showing me love and support. Thank you.